If a person wishes to rent in Arizona, they will typically need to complete a rental application form to indicate their interest in a property and to become part of the selection pool. Hi everyone, I'm your host, Andrew Chung. In this video, we're diving into the Arizona Rental Application Form, an essential tool for prospective tenants and landlords. So, if you're interested in learning more about the application process in Arizona, you're in the right place. Let's get started. In Arizona, rental applications come in two distinct types: the standard or general application and the Department of Housing and Urban Development or HUD rental application. The one that potential tenants will use depends on the type of lease agreement, as well as local laws and the type of property that's being rented. A standard rental application is one that tends to be used by prospective tenants in most cases. It's often customized by the property manager or owner. Meanwhile, a HUD rental application is used for low-income applicants, particularly in situations involving Section 8 housing. As a prospective tenant, the information they'll need to provide includes their personal details, rental history, personal references, credit history, consent for background checks, and income and employment details. Upon a successful application, the Arizona Rental Application Form is followed by the lease agreement. You can download the free rental application form by clicking on the link in the description below. Beyond this, landlords in Arizona are required to make several disclosures to the applicant. These could include smoking policy, expectations around security deposits, application fee requirements, condition of the property, any shared utility agreements, and any potential hazards. Now, it's crucial to understand that Arizona law governs the interaction between a landlord and a prospective tenant. Some key laws include the limit on security deposits, which can be no more than 1.5 months' rent, and the prohibition of non-refundable deposits except in certain circumstances. Additionally, the Fair Housing Act protects prospective tenants from discrimination based on color, race, sex, religion, nationality, criminal history, disability, and familial status. As such, landlords cannot ask for this information on the rental application form. Moreover, under the Federal Credit Reporting Act, landlords must obtain written consent from the potential tenant before carrying out a credit check. The same goes for background checks. The screening process has points of evaluation that are used to accept or reject tenants. A signature of acknowledgement is used to indicate that they were shared with a rental application. In terms of application fees, these are not limited by law and are generally non-refundable unless the words non-refundable are not specified on the application document. Lastly, eviction records in Arizona are public, meaning they can be accessed by anyone. In summary, it's important for housing providers to ensure all the required information is present in an application form, and certain details such as familial status and nationality are not requested. But you don't have to tackle this process alone. DoorLoop can simplify things tremendously, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of property management. And here are some frequently asked questions. Number 1, what is a good way to rate Arizona rental application forms? As for rating rental application forms, a thorough, complete application often signals a responsible tenant. Any skipped sections or incomplete details can raise red flags. Number 2 is, will Arizona landlords do the tenant screening process directly? While some landlords may personally handle the tenant screening process, many use third-party providers to manage this task, saving time and effort. Number 3, can Arizona landlords legally require 2 months' rent as a security deposit? The answer is no. Landlords can only legally request up to 1.5 months' rent. Well, that's it for this video. If you want more real estate content for your business, make sure you check out our YouTube channel for more DoorLoop videos. Remember to like this video, share it, and of course, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.